have developed many personal futuristic sci-fi projects, but lately have been focusing on game development to a point where I can now make tutorials about how to create them from scratch. Yep, from scratch. The thing about making art for video games is that it sometimes can get a little more technical than making your everyday scene, and knowing these details can make your 3D art work or break inside the game engine. Now, maybe you're interested in learning these details are here on my channel. We'll be working with Blender, Godot, GIMP, Audacity, LMS, and probably more tools along the way. Those will help you to develop what you are seeing on screen for free. None of these tools cost anything for you to start using them, aside from a little patience, of course. After all, it can get quite complex if you're just starting out. There's a bunch of things you have to learn before you can do this on your own, but I believe my tutorials will help you on that journey. If what I just said interested you, go ahead and subscribe. Join us on this education journey and let's start to create the games you want, the way you want. See you on the next video.